Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about using the Tolan app. In order to do so, here we are at tolans.com. And what is the Tolan app all about? Well, you can talk to a little AI alien chat buddy called a Tolan. And you can download this on the App Store. If you come here, you can watch the trailer, learn more about it. But essentially what it is talking to your little alien AI chat friend. And you can see here a variety of reviews. And if you want to download that, you can download that on the App Store. Let's take a look here at that. Yeah, so looks like at the moment it is available on the App Store. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Check out our WAP course on AI animated music videos. If you want to learn how to make your own music videos, go head over to WAP and check out the course that we have created there for you. Also, if you're interested in online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to make sure it's available in your area.